Today we have the first model. It is Tolkien Percy. This one is from Mattel 2009. And these models, everything you see here or other models are for sale on my online store, customtrackmasters.com. Link is in the description, so that you can buy and support my channel. I'm actually doing this cheaper than eBay. If you compare the prices, definitely you save 2 to sometimes to 20 bucks sometimes compared to eBay. So there it goes. You just push this button here.
Hello, I'm Percy.
And there goes Percy.
I'm Percy.
It is nice. The battery terminals are clean on this Tolkien Percy. Alright, next let's move on the next model. We have another Tolkien model. This one is a Tolkien Big Focus. This one is a Tolkien Victor. This one is a Tolkien Victor. I don't know why my camera don't focus. This is the face, and looks a decent condition. This one is Mattel 2011. Yeah. Oh, I thought this was on screw already. Anyways, so battery terminals are clean. So you see what you get in. Please visit my store, customtrackmasters.com. Listen, please be aware that this ships only to the United States.
Hello, I'm Victor.
That engine is kind of quiet. The gear, it's just the yep, works great.
Buenos dias, my friends.
So the gears does not make any noise. I mean, it's barely makes noise, just a little tiny. It's the normal gear friction, but better than the most of models you see on other stores. So this one is a Tolkien Salty, and this one is dated Mattel 2010. Also, this model has been serviced. Come on, focus there. I'm gonna move it to the opposite. I'm gonna put it. Battery terminals are clean. And this one, you gotta press the button in front of Tolkien Salty right over here. Oh, don't forget to turn the switch on. Yeah, okay.
Ahoy, matey! I'm salty. Haha.
And there goes the Tolkien Salty. Yeah, it works nice.
I'm salty.
Okay, let's move to the next model. So like I said before, link is in the description. Be advised that I'm not shipping out of states. I don't know why the software still not figuring out the prices for international shipping. I already explained it several times, but since there are always new customers that even they haven't seen the videos, clean battery terminals, I gotta explain every time because sometimes they miss that part. I do not ship out of states. It is very expensive. It's 24 to 60 bucks shipping. So this one you see me in the previous video, I modified this model. It's it's a 24,000 RPM motor with 4.5 volts. That's 3 batteries, and that makes up to 30,000 RPM engine. Ooh, very fast modified model. This was an RC Percy. It's very fast. Now let's move to the next one and let me show you. This one is Caitlin. So here are the decals. You can see the wear and tear, not hiding anything. Here's Caitlin. This one is, look at the stickers, decals. So you see what you're getting. So battery terminals are clean. This model is Mattel 2012. And let's do a test run so you can see it in action. Oh, there it goes. There's Caitlin. Remember, I'm not using the screws to put the leaves on or everything, so it is easier and faster for me to showcase this model, because as you can see on this model, it's kind of looks like a big gap or opening here. But it's just that I'm not screwing this, so just for the demo purposes. This one here, it's nothing wrong, so it's just you need to screw the lid or the body on this model. So the next one we have is custom. What was this? I already forgot. I forgot the name. Wow. I think it's Lexi. I'm not really good fan of this model, but of course you've seen these clean battery terminals. And if you want to see this model when I made it, it's click this link over here, recommendation or tab or whatever you call it, and it's a Lexi as NPC Railroad number 21. These are not good on Tomy tracks. Those models are designed for Trackmaster Revolution tracks. It still works a little bit on these Tomy tracks. So this one also for sale. Link is in the description. This Lexi. The next one we have is so this one is, I forgot to say, this one is 2013 Mattel, right there. And the next model I have is Snow Clearing Emily. So there you can see the tear and wear on the snowplow. Quite of nice model. 2009 Mattel. Battery terminals, as always, clean. Wow, makes little to no noise. I thought this was the switch, is in the back here. Okay, let me change the battery. That one is kind of hold on. It needed a fresher battery. That was too slow. That battery was discharged, and there you can see her. It's running smooth. And I guess I'm going to put the last model for sale. Link in the description. Remember, link in the description. This one is a custom model. Now this is going to be a discounted price. There is cheapest paint that you can see in the tender. I handled this over in a box with another models, and I was kind of careless, but still in a very good condition for this custom James purple color James. So be advised that it does have some cheap paint on this James. Also, these models are not supposed to run on Tomy tracks. These are for Trackmaster Revolutions. I mean, it fits Trackmaster Revolution and all engines go tracks. These are not designed for Tomy tracks. See, the low clearance on these rear wheels are very small. So there we have the models for today's. You can check my online store, customtrackmasters.com, and thank you.